okwetomboita kwabo bakuhireyo omu mushomo gw'ebyo kuganyirwa omu mirimo y'okutebeekanisa okutimba amajuta omu kyanga kya Bunyoro. Omushomo ogu gutebeekanisibwa aba Uganda National Oil Company UNOC.
Contracts enkoto muno kwenda mu nkonvinsinge ngabe nankakafuna contract enkoto muno. So it's a big concern that tukufuna obutaito like he has said. Mukutu obuntu taito wakachwa kasagamba taito. And as well, this goes now to the issues pertaining the local content. For us as the local leaders, we are always advocating for the local content.
Batuhereze community worker owabu bakusasura because bainawe kandi bamusasura. Bamwatachinge hari to the leaders who came to work for the people. Bamutwatachingeho ite tumanyire mbu kyabigambire bali mebitakuli. Tumanyire nkyabigambire hata hayo watermelon. Tumanyire ngu kitoba hata hayo ebitoke. So we know ngu Hoima district, Kikuube district, Bulisa, we can do it, we can provide tukora mu abantu baitu aba local leaders, aba local people omulimo nibekora mu companies nibaba registeringa through go community worker nabo nibaba applicable kurangu bagobora oil and gas. This is our oil.
Harhabar kugira ngu no barabe bakorire companies rukutebekanisa kutimba amajuta abamwe bakabanyaga.
Baitu companies zabanyoro company ka zikubanja milioni 10 za dola zikasasaiwa emyaka esatu nekiweka. So please don't tell us about doing this.
Byone bitwire kutiyebi habwaki nyewenta kabali kumubalizinga abantu kukora a peaceful demonstration which will be articulate and be conceived tukedima hanu habwaki mutarugayo ka social corporate responsibility mukayimbe bikuti yebi byona you have a lot of money muina sente zo kuteka mufiyore miyata ina sente wa akitina no kibazawo musasiro bijwire tawunege yona ebisasiro gabeji have become our comrades. In the long run we shall get some disease.
Abekitongole cha Petroleum Authority of Uganda abarukujunanizwe by'amajuta ga Uganda bayetonganaho barukujangwa nshonga bakazitwara wa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
I told you there are no instances we get of people demanding UNOC. Why? Because we have now become proactive to go to these companies and not wait that a person has come to demand. We ask them to write, give us a status. In the last quarter, how many people are demanding you? How many have you paid? So that is something we are doing to make sure that this incident does not reoccur.
Choncho Roida wa Uganda National Oil Company na jangu bajerezeho kutendeka abantu b'ibinekora okutunga empatane omukyanga eki.
But right now we have our people, our sons and daughters and ourselves who have acquired specialized skills, and we are running neck to neck with international companies to be able to get the jobs and contracts. And ourselves, we have developed capacity to be able to supply goods and services at different levels.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.